Hey, first-time homeowners, if you want your dishwasher to keep washing your dishes, you need to clean the spray arms at least every 3 months. Oh, also, your dishwasher has spray arms. Don't look so guilty. Your parents probably didn't know this either. Then again, these are the same people constantly bragging in memes how they didn't wear a seatbelt and drank from the garden hose as kids. Weird flex, but okay. Dishwashers most commonly have 2 spray arms, one at the base of the dishwasher that sprays upward, and one affixed to the underside of the upper rack that sprays downward. These cleaning mechanisms rotate in a circular motion during a cleaning cycle, spewing the high-pressure hot water onto dishes in order to break up tough grease and grime. Over time, the spray holes can become clogged with food debris, detergent residue, and mineral buildup, reducing effectiveness and efficiency, making your appliance work harder and shortening its lifespan. But you can lend your dishwasher a hand by cleaning its spray arms regularly. Here's how. Remove the bottom rack. Remove the upper and lower spray arms, typically by unscrewing them, pulling, or disconnecting them from a center fastener. For heavy buildup, soak the arms in equal parts distilled white vinegar and warm water for at least a half hour, but up to 2 hours. Scrub on and around the holes with a toothbrush to clear away buildup. Use a toothpick to gently dislodge stubborn stuck-on stuff from the holes. Rinse the arms off. Dry them off. Put them back in place. And there you have it. Your dishwasher spray arms and your conscience are clean. And hey, tell your parents seatbelts save an estimated 15,000 lives per year.